How to convert vertical video to horizontal. So in this video tutorial we are going to talk about. So guys, let's start the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my video canvas. So let me put one vertical video here. Okay, this is my vertical video. So I'm going to show you 2-3 ways that you can use and you can create that horizontal. You can convert that horizontal into the horizontal. Okay, so first method, select your vertical video and you can just resize from the corner dot and just make to fit to the canvas and make sure it is kept in middle. Okay, now you can copy it and paste here, and we have another video. Now you can just right click on it and go to the set as a background. Now we have this video as a background. Okay, so keep both sides same. Okay, if it is if it is size not match to this video, you can make it to match this both video size same. Okay, now this is our original video, this is our background video. Okay, so select the background video, go to the transparency. You can minimize the transparency like this, decrease the transparency. Here we can go also go in edit. Under the edit you can give the effects. Okay, and now let me play it. You can see now it's look like horizontal video and it's look like full size. Okay, this is the first method. Now let me show you second method. Okay, just select your vertical video, go to the element, search for, okay, go to the elements, and here in graphics, okay, let me check one sec. Okay, in elements, go to the video background. Here we have lots of video background in video and graphics, so you can go to the graphics or video. I just go to the video and choose the any background like this. Okay, this is our background. Okay, so you can use this background. So you can see my video size is I think 13.9 second, and this background size is maximum is 7 second. So I can't increase this size. So what you can do, just copy this background, right click on it and copy it and add the or paste again. Control C you can use and make the match this size or length with the video. Now let me play the video. Okay, so now we have created that horizontal or landscape video. Now you can download as a video MP4, manage the quality and download it. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.